Family relationships are like riding a swing. One day you're best friends, and the next day you're arch enemies. Let's hide money so that no one can find it. Make a movie theater in a pizza box, protect your makeup from other people's hands, and teach them to wash dishes after themselves. Check out funny and useful ideas for sisters in today's video. Start your morning with tasty and healthy granola. Pour the cereal into a plate. Cover it with yogurt. It doesn't get any easier, but my sister has a better way. She covers the remains of granola in the package with yogurt. Are you going to eat right from the package? Well, yes. So what? It's even tastier that way, especially since after breakfast, you can just crumple the bag and throw it away. And you don't even need to wash dishes. How did I not think of this myself? My sister just got back from a beauty salon. Holy curlers! Her hair looks so bright! I wish I could have hair like that! For this idea, you will need hair conditioner and food coloring. Mix a tablespoon of conditioner with the dye. Protect your hands with gloves. Apply the mixture to the ends of your hair. Wrap it in foil. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Wash off with warm water. The bright Pinkie Pie look will surprise your sister, and selfies with colored hair will get a whole bunch of likes. Every sister is different and unique, and that's okay, even if she's as greedy as mine. What do you have? Candies? Don't you want to share? Yes, of course. Go ahead. But there's nothing in the box. Oh, really? There's nothing I can do. Sorry. For this prank, you will need 2 packs of candy. Pour all the candies into 1 pack and put the boxes in a bag. And when someone asks you to share, offer them an empty box. So what? All good things come to an end. So the same thing happened with the candy. Sleeping in the same bed can turn into a war for territory, and whoever sleeps on the edge usually finds herself on the floor. A sudden encounter with the ground can end with a broken elbow. Now we will tell you how to avoid this. Place the blankets and bed covers in the place of possible landing, and this time the landing will be soft, no injuries. And you can even sleep on this soft bed made out of blankets. At least no one can push you out of here. Sometimes the sisters are so at peace that they behave like best friends. But when my sister's boyfriend comes over, everything changes. It's like she can't hear me and gives all her attention only to him. Well, 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 I have a couple of surprises for you. I'm back with a vacuum cleaner. Maybe now he will understand that he is not welcome here. He just moves his legs and does not understand my hints. Okay, let's take advantage of my sister's absence and put all hands on deck. Remove the nozzle from the vacuum cleaner and clean the dust from the sofa he's sitting on. Put the hose to his neck as if by accident and leave a huge bruise. Does this remind you of anything? The main thing is to apologize and convince him that you didn't mean to. My sister comes back and notices a hickey on his neck. Oh, you're a cheater? How could you? Of course, she won't believe in the tale of the vacuum cleaner. With an eloquent gesture, my sister shows that it is all over between them. Well, we got rid of the guy. Now, no one will prevent me and my sister from chatting for hours and sharing secrets with each other. For the next life hack, you will need the largest t-shirt you can find. Apply a print-on fabric and a black capillary pen. Write our Get Along shirt on it. Color the letters with markers. A fight with your sister can begin literally because of anything. One spark is enough for a real explosion to occur. No, girls, this will not work. You need a Get Along shirt. Now you are together and cannot go anywhere. And now you are responsible together for everything that you do too. Chocolate for one is better. Where can I hide it so my sister won't find it? She won't see it on the very top shelf. But the younger sister is not so easy to trick. She can smell chocolate from miles away. There's nothing to see. But how can I look higher than my height? You need a mirror and a ruler. Fasten double-sided tape to the reverse side of the mirror. Stick it to the end of the ruler. With your new spy device, you do not need a stepladder. Raise the ruler and look in the mirror. Is there something lying on the shelf? And here is a chocolate bar. So it will be with every chocolate that they try to hide from me. You can't just drink tea and then wash the cup right afterwards. That's my sister's main rule. I'm so tired of this! For this prank, you need a mug. Write "Wash me" at the bottom of the cup with a permanent marker. Treat your sister to tea and watch her reaction. At the bottom of the cup, she finds a message addressed to her. Now she can't back out of washing the dishes. My sister loves to save money and prefers to keep it in the bank, in a large jar bank. The jar hidden on the shelf is not so reliable, and her adventurous younger sister uses it. Here's an idea of a great hiding place for your savings. You will need a globe. Remove the globe from its base. Divide it into 2 halves. Place your savings in it. Put the globe back together. Just in time, because my cunning little sister is already there. What are we doing here? Oh, nothing. I'm sitting, not bothering anyone, studying the globe. She will not suspect a thing. If you have a sister, you know exactly what a toilet line is. Are you going to be much longer? It's really urgent! But if your sister sat down with her phone, only a very tricky idea will help smoke her out of this ambush. You need a telephone and a speaker. Establish a Bluetooth connection and output a sound of a fire alarm to the speaker. Make the sound louder. The sister jumps off the toilet and runs for her life. Now the restroom is completely at your disposal. To arrange an Italian party for 2, you just need to order a pizza. Crunchy crust, stretchy cheese, ripe tomatoes. It is simply impossible to resist. What, is she going to eat it all without me? Here's the secret to a perfect crime. How to keep the biggest slice of pizza for yourself. Cut a strip in the middle of the pizza. Shift the halves closer. Now cut a strip horizontally. Put the pieces on a plate. Connect the remaining triangles of pizza. Close the box and hide the plate with the extra pieces away from the sister's eyes. The sister comes back with drinks and invites you to the table. Oh, I accept your invitation with pleasure. After snacking, the girls take a video pause. But after a good meal, they're too lazy to hold the phone. I have an idea. Use the pizza box as a holder. Bend the lid of the box in the center. Make a cut. Hang the phone by the case using a binder clip and fasten it to the box. The result is a convenient device for watching your favorite YouTube videos. The pizza party was a success, but the best part is still to come. It is good that my sister doesn't know about my little trick. An additional portion of pizza will be the final chord of an already beautiful evening. Did your younger sister go into your makeup bag without asking? She is going to get a severe payback for her attempted illegal makeup. Having gotten my lipstick back, I banish my sister from the room. What can I do in order to wean my sister from the habit of using someone else's makeup? Take lipstick and a clear nail polish. Unscrew the lipstick from the tube. Coat it with a layer of colorless nail polish. Let the polish dry and close the lipstick with a cap. Criminals always return to the crime scene, but the polish coating of the lipstick leaves her without tinted lips. Someone else's makeup is out of her league. That is, out of her lips. My sister has been preparing for a date for 2 hours already. Great! Finally! She left and I can take her favorite shoes without asking. But the shoes are too big. Who even has such a huge foot size? But there is a way out. Take wide tape. Attach the shoe to the foot. Transparent tape buckles are an excellent solution for a pair of shoes that are too big for you. A long skirt will hide this little secret from the curious glances of others. My older sister is a true guard dog and doesn't want to let me out of the house in a mini skirt. She even has her own personal moral height meter, a long plastic ruler. But there is one little trick. Wear jeans under the dress. Tighten the dress to make it look like a sweater. Such a modest look will pass the strictest control. And just before going out, take off your pants and hide them in the hallway. She will definitely not stop you here. Did you like our ideas for sisters? Do you have a sister? Are you friends with her? Write about it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new pranks and life hacks on Troom Select.